Hello students, last question we have seen, that is again repeating decimal, means whatever we are dividing, so never coming remainder 0. Same types of question is next is given, question number 3rd, but in this question is given limited number, we have to divide up to limited decimal places, means just you given here, express the following as decimal correct to 3 decimal places. Means whatever number is given, just you divide by 4 decimal places and just round off the 4th place, and that is up to 3 decimal places we have to give the answer. Okay, so just divide by first question is just you see 3 upon 17 is given. This one is numerator and this one is denominator, means 17 is divisor and 3 is dividend. So we will divide 17 to 3. Okay, up to 4 decimal places. If question is asking 3 decimal places, then you have to divide one more and then round off. Okay, so we will divide 3 upon 17 up to 4 decimal places. First to try, means this one is less value. First, for that we have to put here point, then we can put here 0. 1 ja 17, 1 ja 17. Now we will subtract 30 minus 17, remainder will come 13. Okay, now it is also less value, so we can put 1 0 on self. So 17 7 ja 119 will come. Okay, now we will subtract 11, remainder will come. After then we can put again 0, so 17 6 ja 102 will come. Now we will subtract, remainder will come 8. Okay, now 3 decimal places we have divided, but one more we have to divide, so just we have to put here 0. Now 4 ja 17 4 ja 68 will come. Now we will subtract, remainder will come 2. Whatever remainder will come, no need to worry, just you worry about this, means decimal number is came 0.1764, means 4 decimal places we have divided. Now round off. For that round off, just careful, if value is, 4th value is 5 or more than 5, then you have to add 1 digit here, otherwise just ignore the value and just write down the answer. Means this one is 4, means less than 5, so no need to add here. So final answer is 1.76. Okay, means decimal expansion of 3 upon 17 up to 3 decimal place is 0.176. Okay, next one, second part is negative sign is given and mixed fraction also given. So first of all, remove the mixed fraction. 21 9 ja 189 will come. 21 9 ja 189 plus 11, it will come 200, means minus 200 upon 11 will. Okay, now we will divide by minus 200 upon 21. Now we will divide minus 221, means divisor is 21, dividend is 200. Just ignore the sign minus, at last we will put the minus. So now we will divide 9 ja directly, 21 9 ja 189 will come. Now we will subtract, remainder will come 11. Again 11 is less value, so for that we have to put here point, then we can put here 0, so point, and this one is 0. Now 5 ja 21 5 ja 105 will come. Now we will subtract 110 minus 105, it will come 5. Again less value, so we can put 10 here. Now we can divide by 2 ja, so 21 2 ja 42. We will subtract, remainder will come 8. Now we can put 10. 21 3 ja 63 will come. Now we will subtract 17, remainder will come. Okay, again 3 decimal places we have divided, one more required, so just you put here 0 and 17 8 ja 8 1 ja 8 and 8 2 ja 16, 168 will come, remainder is 2. Okay, so we have divided till 4 decimal places. Now we have to round off. Okay, so minus 9.5238, just you see here 4th digit is more than 5, so we have to add here 1 digit and ignore the value. So minus 9.52 3 plus 1, 4 will come. So final answer is minus 9.524. Okay, up to 3 decimal places. So decimal expansion of this number is up to 3 decimal places, minus 9.524. Next, last one is third part, that is mixed fraction is given, and first of all remove the mixed fraction. 5 whole 3 upon 19 is given. So first remove this. The third one is 5 whole 3 upon 19. So 19 5s of 95 plus 3, 98 upon 19 will come. Okay, so this one is remainder, this one is numerator and this one is denominator, means 19 is divisor and 98 is dividend. So just you divide to 19 by 19 to 98. So again divide by 5 ja only, 19 5 ja 95 will come. Now 98 minus 95, remainder will be 3. Okay, now again less value, so we can put here 0. So point, then we can put here 0. Now we can divide by 1 ja. So 19 1 ja 19. Now we will subtract, 11 will come. Okay, remainder is 11. After then we can put 1 0 again. So 19 5 ja 95. Now we will subtract, remainder will come 15. Now we can put 1 0 again. So 19 7 ja 133 will come. 19 7 ja 133. After then we can subtract 150 minus 133, 17 remainder will come. Okay, 3 decimal places we have divided. Now we can put 1 0 again, so we can divide 1 times again, means 17 is given. Now we can put 1 0. So by which number we have divided? 19 8 ja. So 19 8 ja, 9 8 ja 72, means 162 will come. 19 8 ja 162. 19 8 ja 9 8 ja 72, carry 7 and 8 plus 7 152. 152. Now we will subtract, it will come, remainder is 18. So just stop here, because we require only 3 decimal places. We have divided till 4 decimal places. Now we have to remainder. Now we have to round off this digit. So final answer is 5.157. So 7 note will come here, 7. Just you add here plus 1, means 8 will come, because this one is more than 5. So we can add here plus 1. So final answer is 5.158. Okay. So decimal expansion of 98 upon 19 is 5.158 up to 3 decimal places. Okay. So this type of you have to do in the exercise.